Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning viewers. Welcome back to the Voice of Indonesia. News What with me. News 1. In Indonesia, COVID-19 cases are on the rise. Experts say that the Delta variant is one reason. People who are not vaccinated against COVID-19 make up the most cases and deaths among full vaccinated people. Evidence shows small minority getting breakthrough infection. In medicine, breakthrough infection happen when virus break through the barrier of vaccine provides. News 2. In part of India, a second wave of coronavirus infection is causing the health system to feel overwhelmed. The capital city of Delhi has daily cases of infection. Hospital beds are full. Medicine and oxygen are in short supply. Burial places are running out of space. Aid from other nations is coming, but healthcare and burial workers are overwhelmed. News 3. In the early 1950s, researchers found that people score lower on intelligence if they spoke more than one language. PCR in the 1960s found the opposite, so which is it? Researchers presented their new studies in February at a meeting of the American Association for the Advancement of Science. The latest evidence showed that being bilingual does not necessarily make people smart, but teachers Ellen Bialystok say it probably does make you better at certain skills. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.